As part of steps to sanitize the money lending industry, the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission (FCCPC) has executed an enforcement action against Soko Lending Limited. According to the Commission, the enforcement action was carried out after much intelligence gathering and surveillance on the money lending company has been done. Speaking to journalists at the end of the exercise, the Executive Vice Chairman of the FCCPC, Babatunde Irukera, explained that the action against Soko Lending Limited will serve as a deterrent to other lending companies who have refused to get the necessary authorization.
The target today was one of the biggest ones that operates amorphously in different brand names. For instance, we're here, we know that that company that we've come to enforce against is the one operating here. We've got our operatives and at least one other location right now as we speak, and they're doing exactly what we have done here. And so we believe that the companies that we've sought out to enforce against today would, a success of that enforcement would address a significant amount of the remaining violations. Our company is Soko Lending, and it's a very notorious company, and it has demonstrated both its a penchant for versatility to be able to recalibrate itself very quickly. It's not the first time we've taken some kind of enforcement action against it, and it has also shown that it is unwilling to be subject to regulation. But we're pretty certain that after the efforts today and what is to come, we will hold Soko Loan accountable, just like we've held others accountable, and they're going to have a very, very difficult time returning to business without complying with the law. Continuing to chase after these apps is not sustainable, neither is it the most efficient or effective way to address this. So one of the things that is coming up today is an interim framework where Google will not put up any other app for business in Nigeria unless they show some regulatory approval.
It is worthy of note that the Soko Loan has proven to be one of the most feared lending investment agencies in the country. This is as a result of their high-handed ways of handling their clients and unorthodox ways of recovering loans. Similarly, Okunlola reporting for ANF TV.